want your toy, Alden? Is this what you want? Those little ears just standing up. Go get it. Into the fluff. You all up in that fluffy stuff. The fluffy grass. Oh, you got your toy now, huh? Oh, makeshift toy. Attack it! Attack it! Attack little doggy. You're a vicious attack puppy, aren't you? Yes, yes. Very vicious attack puppy. Yum. Absolutely yum. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. More back. Gotta come over here. Yeah, you gotta come over here. Don't just. Odin. Ready for it? You ready for it? Go get it. You just viciously attack that. And you run away with it. And you attack it some more. Ah, the horror. The horror. Ah, that poor little paper roll. It's absolutely vicious. Run away! The murderer has left the scene. He's trying to replace the body. Where are you going, Alden? We're going up here. Bring your toy with you. Get your boy. And now you're just going to sit down and be lazy and chew on it. Oh, there's your video. Crazy ass little snow pup eating paper.